In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to have two OneDrive accounts on one computer. If you're someone who manages both personal and professional files or perhaps shares files with different groups, this setup can make your life significantly easier by keeping your digital life organized and accessible from one place. First, ensure you have both OneDrive accounts ready to go. You'll need the login credentials for each, so make sure you have your usernames and passwords at hand. When you're all set, open your primary OneDrive account on your computer. If you haven't already signed in, now's the time to do so. By doing this, you'll be linking your main account to the OneDrive app on your system, which acts as the base for setting up a second account. Once your main account is synced and operational, we move on to adding the secondary account. For this, you'll want to open a web browser and navigate to the OneDrive website, where you'll sign into your second account. This step is crucial because the OneDrive app on your computer only supports syncing with one account directly, hence the web access for the other account. After you're logged in and have access to both accounts, the next step is to manage your file synchronization settings. Navigate to the OneDrive icon, usually located in your taskbar or system tray. Right-click on it and select Settings. In the Settings menu, switch to the Account tab, making sure everything is properly synced with your main account. For your secondary account, since it can't be directly added to the OneDrive app as a synchronized account, you'll be handling it through the browser. You can download and upload files from here manually. To make things seamless, consider creating a shortcut for quick access to your secondary account. In your web browser, bookmark the OneDrive page of your second account. This way, you'll have swift access to it anytime you need. While juggling two accounts, it's helpful to establish a folder organization system. Perhaps differentiate between work and personal folders or categorize based on projects or date. This can be managed from both the OneDrive app and your browser. Additionally, it may be useful to label folders clearly so you always know what belongs where, avoiding any mix-ups or lost files. Always keep an eye on your available storage. Each OneDrive account comes with a certain amount of free storage, which might be different for personal versus business accounts. Monitor how much space you're using, and upgrade if necessary, to ensure you don't run into any unexpected storage limits. By following these steps, you'll streamline your digital storage experience and enhance productivity, keeping both your accounts readily available. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you maintain a tidy and efficient digital workspace.